Microsoft 365 Copilot allows you to save prompts you've written so you can reuse them instantly without retyping, like bookmarking your best prompts. Scheduled prompts let you automate recurring tasks. Copilot runs the prompt on a schedule and delivers results to you or your team. Automatically shared prompts allow you to distribute your best prompts to team members, creating a collective prompt library that raises everyone's productivity. The prompt gallery is a Microsoft curated collection of community prompts you can browse, adapt, and use as starting points for your own work together. These features transform Copilot from a personal tool into a team productivity platform. This is a key exam theme. This section is heavily lab focused. Every slide walks you through exact steps in the Microsoft 365 Copilot interface exam tip. The exam tests whether you know the difference between saving, personal reuse, scheduling, automation, and sharing, team distribution. Know the use case for each. Summarization prompts, best for meeting recaps, document digests, email thread summaries. Use zero shot with clear scope, past week, top 5 points. Analysis prompts, best for data trends, comparisons, root cause investigation. Use chain of thought and reference specific data files with creation prompts, best for drafting emails, documents, proposals, and presentations. Use RACI with clear tone, audience, and format specifications, classification prompts, best for sorting, categorizing, or prioritizing items. Use FewShot with 2 to 3 examples to establish the pattern transformation prompts, best for reformatting, translating, or rewriting content. Use FewShot to demonstrate the desired transformation style extraction prompts, best for pulling specific data points from large documents. Use zero shot with precise instructions on what to extract and in what format. Exam tip. The exam often describes a business scenario and asks which prompt approach is best. Match the task type to the technique from this reference table. Step 1. Write the prompt. As an operations team lead, create a concise weekly status report summarizing tasks completed this week, tasks in progress, blockers, and priorities for next week. Format as a table with columns for item, status, owner, and note. Steps 2. Test the prompt in Copilot chat, run it, and review the output. Iterate if needed. Also add a section for team wins and shoutouts at the top. Step 3. Save the final prompt. Click the bookmark icon, name it Weekly Operations Team Status Report, and add a description. Step 4. Schedule the prompt. Set it to run every Friday at 3 p.m. so you have the report ready before the end of the work week. Step 5. Share the prompt with your operations team. Add all team members with can use permission and include a note. Use this every Friday to generate your individual section. Step 6. Verify the workflow. Check that team members received the shared prompt, that the schedule is active, and that the next run date is correct outcome. You have now automated a weekly team deliverable that previously took 30 plus minutes of manual effort. This is the power of prompt management.
Key concept.
1. Saved prompts are personal by default. Only you can see them until you explicitly share them with others. Key concept. 2. Scheduled prompts enable proactive automation. Copilot delivers results on a schedule without you needing to type the prompt each time. Key concept. 3. Shared prompts support team level productivity. Sharing a tested prompt with can use permission ensures everyone gets consistent results. Key concept 4. The prompt gallery is a discovery tool. It helps you find and adapt community prompts, not store your own organizational prompts. Key concept 5. Editing a shared prompt as the owner updates it for all recipients. If they have can use permission, be careful with changes to widely shared prompts. Key concept 6. Scheduled prompts respect Microsoft 365 permissions. The prompt runs using your permissions, so it can only access data you have access to. Exam tip. A common scenario question describes a team that wastes time writing the same prompt repeatedly. The correct answer involves saving and sharing the prompt, not the prompt gallery. Best practice. 1. Establish a naming convention for saved prompts. Use prefixes like daily, weekly, monthly, ad hoc, followed by a descriptive name, best practice. 2. Test every prompt at least 3 times before saving. Ensure it produces consistent, reliable results across different data inputs, best practice. 3. Include usage notes in the description field. Document when to use the prompt, what files to reference, and any required customization, best practice. 4. Schedule prompts for recurring tasks only if the output is consistently useful. Don't schedule a prompt that requires heavy editing every time, best practice. 5. Limit shared prompt libraries to 15 to 20 prompts per team. Too many prompts overwhelm users and reduce adoption, best practice. 6. Conduct quarterly prompt reviews. Update prompts that reference outdated files. Remove prompts for completed projects and add prompts for new workflows, best practice. 7. Train new team members on the shared prompt library during onboarding. This accelerates their Copilot productivity from day one. Governance principle 1. Shared prompts should not contain confidential or sensitive data in the prompt text itself. Reference secured files instead of embedding. Data governance principle 2. Scheduled prompts that access sensitive data should be reviewed by IT compliance to ensure they align with data handling policies. Governance principle 3. The prompt gallery is curated by Microsoft. Prompts from the gallery are generally safe, but always review before using in regulated environments. Governance principle 4. Audit shared prompt usage. Track which prompts are being used most frequently and ensure they remain accurate and compliant. Governance principle 5. When an employee leaves the organization, their saved and scheduled prompts may become orphaned. Include prompt handover offboarding checklist. Governance principle 6. Prompts that generate customer-facing content should be reviewed before use. Copilot output is a draft, not a final product. Exam tip: compliance and governance. Questions often appear in the context of shared and scheduled prompts. Remember that prompts inherit the permissions of the user who runs them. You can save prompts in M365 Copilot for instant reuse. Access them from the prompt input area or your saved prompts list. You can schedule prompts to run automatically on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Results are delivered via Copilot chat, email, or Teams. You can share prompts with individuals or Microsoft 365 groups. Set use for read-only access or can edit for collaborative editing. The prompt gallery is a Microsoft curated collection of community prompts organized by category. Use it for discovery and inspiration, then customize for your needs. Prompt management. Best practices include descriptive naming, testing before saving, documenting usage notes, quarterly reviews, and team training. Governance considerations. Prompts inherit user permissions, audit shared prompt usage, review customer facing outputs, and include prompts in offboarding checklists. All right, so with that, we've come to the end of this section on managing prompts in Microsoft 365 Copilot. In this session, we covered all the key concepts: how to save prompts for reuse, schedule them for automation, and share them with your team to improve overall productivity. We also looked at different prompt types, best practices, and important governance considerations that you need to keep in mind, especially from an exam perspective. Now, all of this might feel a bit theoretical at this point, but don't worry. In the next session, we're going to take everything we've learned here and apply it step by step in a hands-on lab. You'll actually create, save, schedule, and share prompts inside the Microsoft 365 Copilot interface so you can see how it works in a real-world scenario. So stay tuned for that because that's where things will really start click. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you in the next session.